Here is my 1982 Honda Goldwing GL 1100 rear tire, rear rim and tire. As you can see, this thing is in real bad shape. I've got to pull this tire off. I want to pull this assembly off, I think, as well. Clean it up. This is where the drive, where it connects to the drive. Seen better days. Let me turn this over. See the disc? It's not too bad. I just need to clean it up. It should be fine. But I am going to remove it. This is just a spacer. I may change the bearings. I'm not 100%. They seem fine, but still. I don't know if they've been changed ever, but they've been around for a while. So now these are 12 mil, I believe. Yep, these are 12 mil, and they're holding the disc to the hub. So let's go ahead and pull those off of here. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's go ahead and put them there. Clean them up. Make them look nice and purty. Alright, look at that. Just lifts right off. Set that off to the side. Yeah, that might fall out. Let's set that off as well. Hey, right tools for the job. A screwdriver and a tire hub. Let's see, which end do I want to try to pull out first? The bead is separated everywhere. Ooh, that doesn't feel. Let's see. All right. Let's see what happens. Need to bring that fan over here. Okay. Let go my ego. I'm going to use my jigsaw. My sawzall is over at the storage, so instead of going there, I'm going to attempt this. Wish me luck. Pretty strong there. All right. Wow. One side. Whew. way too much work. Now I gotta clean this thing up big time. There it is. Of course, that damn airplane would go right over. You're gonna love this. Want to clean this part of the rim? I think I need a wire brush, so I'm gonna do this wire wheel. Definitely get it moving. Now do the other side. All right, much better. Look at that rim. The ring on the rim. Oh yeah, that looks good. Same with the other side. Just need to clean out that grease in there, put some fresh in. Gonna doll it up a little more. All these edges are dirty, corroded, whatever you want to call it. So I got some emery paper right here and a piece of a flap. So I don't want to round these off because they weren't rounded off to begin with. So that's why I'm using a piece of wood, flat. That came out good. Seriously. Some emery paper to clean that up. I should have done it the other. Some emery paper to clean that up. I've got to dress this disc and see how bad it is. Now normally it goes like this. That's the way it sits. But I use an angle grinder and a sanding disc to clean it. So I've got to turn this backwards. Now the problem is it doesn't really fit this way. So the nuts I have to put upside down. But they will hold it for what I need. Now those are 13 mil. I This thing is actually not, it's too thick. Just gonna use some vice grip channel locks to snug it up just a little. I don't need it too tight. No, that should do it. Hey, let's get this show on the road. Alright, as far as I'm concerned, the rear wheel is ready for a tire. And for freshly rebuilt calipers.